This tutorial is going to teach you how to copy an element or shape to slides in the presentation. This is the shape with text that I am going to copy and paste them into all 9 slides. For this, I am going to use a simple macro. Let us go to Developer tab and Macros. I have the code already in my notepad, so I am just going to copy that code into the macro. Same name and same code. Let me explain the code. The code just copies the currently selected shape. Then it iterates through all slides and pastes it, except the current one. If successfully done, it will show a message box, Mission completed. Okay, let us close the code section and run the macro. Once the macro is completed, you can see the message box. Also, you can see all the 9 slides now have the same copy of the selected item. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please consider sharing it with your friends. If you find this useful, can you please smash the like button? Thank you.